Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the E-flite V-22 Osprey. It's been a while since I've flown it, but videos of this always seem to do well. People enjoy it, so why not? Let's fly it. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Let's get it in the air. Okay, things are moving. That's always good. They're moving this way as well. Okay, guess we're ready. Let's get it in the air. And this thing is always amazing. Very little wind now. And let's transition. Ooh, right into the sun. Luckily there's clouds there. And man, this thing is fast. And then this kind of safe mode takes forever to turn. But I've crushed it in the acro mode, so I won't be trying that. In a straight line, it's pretty happy half throttle. Just that the turning circle is horrible. And it needs speed in the turns. I can only try and turn it this way, not into the sun. Come on, turn, 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 turn. Okay, there we go. Full speed, woohoo! Okay, it's actually not that bad. Right in the sun. Should I try getting it this way? Why not? Wait, both me and you can see it better. Oh, that's a lot of bugs. Flies are. Okay, 2 minutes remaining. Flying on a 850 3S. I think this thing also has differential thrust, but only in that acro mode. Man, I can't even get it to turn. I'm trying to use rudder. It doesn't have moving rudders. But yeah, I'm too scared to try it in that acro mode. It's a brick with tiny stubby wings, so it's fun to fly. Come on, turn, baby. Okay, 1 minute. I have this timer set to 4. I can probably get 5 if I really try. I didn't hover it too much. I think hovering takes more battery, but if the battery gets low, it will automatically switch to hover and probably land where it is. So, okay, let's flip the switch, transition, and there it is. It's a helicopter now. Far away. Okay, let's turn it this way. Get it closer, get it lower. coming right at me. It was object fixation, or whatever it's called. When you stare at something and you can't avoid it. Ooh. Okay, that was bouncy, but whew, fun. 4.5 minutes. Let's switch it back to tilting the nacelles forward, because otherwise it won't fit in the box. Whew. Yeah, always fun. Always a bit scary, but it was a decent flight. Hope it was visible. Lighting was not the best, and it's hard to keep it close, but we'll see. If you watched this far, thank you very much. Don't forget, like the video if you enjoyed it, leave some comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!